telomeres, and stem cells. Master cells are cells that divide and give rise to more master cells that replace worn-out cells every day. Cells need to divide to survive. As we age, the body loses the power and energy to replicate. Master cells are the only cells that promote duplication and replacement. By the age of 30, the average person is only duplicating and replacing at about 50% capacity. By age 60, the average person is not duplicating and replacing stem cells at all. Yikes! That is why, when we are young, we have endless energy and recover from challenges much easier and faster. Therefore, promoting master cell activity is critical and crucial to living a longer and healthier life. When we experience DNA damage, the body will start to age in many ways, like our bodies begin to start sagging and dragging around with low energy. We start looking old and feeling old. Our immune system is compromised, which can result in developing cancer and susceptible to all kinds of bacterial infections, viral infections, colds, flu bugs, and other communicable diseases. We will develop symptoms of metabolic syndrome, dementia, Alzheimer's, mental fog, memory loss, etc., weight gain, inflammation, type 2 diabetes, liver disease, organ failure, heart attacks, strokes, and cardiovascular disease, kidney disease, respiratory disease, digestive diseases. So we can see how preserving our DNA through promoting healthy cells is imperative to living a long and healthy life. The good news is that master cells can reactivate to do their job to regenerate and activate the cells in our body to act more youthful. Aging will happen, but how we age is determined by lifestyle, and thankfully we have a new technology called photobiomodulation. The good news is that LifeWaves' inventor David Schmidt created a patch that activates and stimulates master cell production in the body. As we stated, the patches reflect specific frequencies of infrared light, activated by heat of the body to trigger biological functions biochemically. The patch we are referring to that activates, regenerates, and elevates master cells is called X39. This is a clinically proven technology with 80+ double-blind multiple studies that demonstrate that X39 tells master cells to do their job and duplicate. X39 basically stimulates the production of GHK-Cu copper peptide, which is a short-chain amino acid that stimulates stem cell activity. This peptide has been scientifically proven to slow down the aging process and even reverse the symptoms of aging. It is literally resetting your DNA. When this happens, we are telling the body to be younger and act younger. You are literally resetting the gene pool. So, if you are interested in looking better and feeling better while adding years to your life, you might want to patch up with X39. If you want to turn back the clock of time, you will want to put on the X39. Who would like to sleep better, have less aches and pains, experience new hair growth, and even darkening hair, more collagen in the body, reduce the risk of cancer, less sickness and disease, reduced risk of heart attacks, strokes, better-looking skin, faster healing, faster recovery, repair and fix your body? You get the picture. If so, X39 is the master cell activation patch you will want to wear every day. David W. K. Lee, all-natural health and wellness enthusiast.